This is working. Oh, wait. Oh, okay. I think I'm good. Yeah, I believe I am good. Okay, cool. All right, leave this up for here. So now, what was I? Okay. I get back in the mindset here. What was I doing? Entry and JSON data. So that's the data. Each entry in it. Let me just so that I can make sense in my head. What I'm doing here. Okay. Okay. I think yeah. So what I want to do then is if entry is dictionary or dictionary. Let's just do this now just so it doesn't yell at me. Okay, so this is checking if the entry is a dictionary, it'll go in here. Deals with the dictionary route here. So I need to for entry key for each key in. Now, wait, is that what I do? What do you think here? Okay, so for each entry, I do want this. This is the instance. So then I want to do something like for entry key in entry dot keys. Yeah, entry dot keys. I just kind of so I can see entry. Just so I get a good picture here in my head. Yeah, okay, so each of those gives me that. So for each of those, I want to do variable name is equal to entry key. Yeah, okay. So that's the variable name. I want to then go entry instance. Yeah, dot set variable name. I want to set it with entry key. So if I'm thinking right, so then this gets the variable name. So this will get, say, adventure cost. That's it. It goes here, dot set adventure cost, entry adventure cost. So which is effectively doing entry entrance adventure cost equals adventure cost, I believe, right? Yeah, so the entry of the data goes to the adventure cost, gets 100. Okay, so yeah, it goes through each of these then. Make sure this is an array. It's returning an array. Okay. So it will go through each of these then. At the very end here, when it's finished, let's just not return it yet, but I do want to print debug return array. So what I'm returning in this scenario would be, oh, I didn't add it. Whoops. Return array dot append entry instance. So it now has a node. I guess I would need to. Okay, let's do this. Plus entry. Just because I know what's coming in here, let me do adventure cost entry adventure name. I think of another one. Let's just do this. Oh wait, no. Whoops, I do not want to do it there. Return array. I guess I can do this. Let me debug entry instance. Okay. And now if I do, well, here actually, what I can do now is return array. Save that for now. Okay. The entry instance. Okay. So this would then return an array of nodes, which is what I want. I should probably put, yeah, let me do node array, because I need to be more as explainative as I can be for you. Okay, and so this is for I'm trying to think. I would only reduce. I'm just gonna keep it this way. I'm not gonna go further. So for each entry in the array sent load the object. Check if that's pretty self-explanatory. Check if dictionary for each variable dictionary. Set variable name to loaded object. Add object to return array, return object array. Okay, yes. Document is what it wants to be. Okay, now go back here. So if I do, now what if I, okay, so take this, change it to this. No, wait. Okay. So I'm getting back a node array, an array of nodes. Yeah, no, so I won't do that. Okay, so, else, wait, I don't know why this indentation is so weird. So if Pirate has adventure, wait. Wonder how long I've been doing it like that. That might have been a reason I was having problems earlier. That's whatever. Player resource dot append. Yeah, again, I think I just want to just save all to an array variable assigned to the. Yeah, I think what I just want to do is just do this actually. So then this go here. And then that takes away all this, because basically all this is done in the script besides this part, so I need to do that part. For adventure in player versus adventures, add child to adventure. So basically makes that adventure the child of this. Right? Yeah, and then this does not need to be called here. Oops. Could just, oh. What did I just do? Okay. Why is it? Okay. I really shouldn't delete all that though. Can I still get it back? Okay. So take this, put it there. Nope. Shoot. Cut it, but then I paste it there. Now do this. Utility functions that convert. Okay, yeah. This gets, so yeah, for now, just comment it out. And then I want to do for adventure player resources. Adventures. Add child. Okay, so if I'm correct in my thinking, Oh, I need to do adventure, not adventure instance. This should load the same thing. Yeah, this should get resources in it from adventures from the thing. Try it out. Okay, looks like you still have it. Does it save correctly? Yeah, it seems to save correctly. Okay. I think maybe do a little more testing before I delete all this, but see player resources. Also, while I'm here, let me do resources as gold. I think something I want to check. Print debug adventure dot get parent, and then another thing I just want to do, make sure print debug self. Okay, there's something I want to see. What? Oh, nope. There, yeah, I was like, oh, so, I mean, at least for the purposes of this, though, it is making the parent the same thing. But why is there two different types? I'll have to look into this. I mean, that, Why is it doing that? Okay. I think I'm going to delete all this, though. Okay, so that saves me some room there. Might be able to change this into one too. I'll look into it, but it's fine for now. Is it? Yeah. Yeah. Okay, so I did play resources, dungeon manager. So I need a load version. Yep, here. So for if dungeon is array, dungeons, it's received dungeons. Does this just plug and play? Okay, so dungeons is the array. Is this just as simple as plugging and playing? So Let me do this. So okay, so list of available dungeons equals utility functions dot convert JSON array to node array. And then I want to do data received dungeons. And I want to do this path. And does that just make it? Find out. Seems to. I guess the question then is dungeon list. Because I bought the other one. Dungeon unlocked equals true. Wait. I think I know I haven't. Okay. Let me check, but I'm pretty sure it should be locked at this point. Yeah, it's locked. Okay. So then what needs to happen, this should also update to be false, yeah. Player resources. Let's just give me like 800. Okay. Dungeon manager, but I need, okay, utility functions. So here. So for each entry key, variable name, let's do if statement to check for Boolean entry. So if I need to think about this. Entry. Okay. If entry key is equal to true or same thing but false. Else do these. So then from here, then what I want to do is add very Boolean variable to loaded object. Not Boolean. Okay. Variable. Actually, for the most part, this is gonna be the same, but a little different. It's equal to true. Yeah. Okay, so this checks the thing. It is equal to true or false, which would mean it's a Boolean variable saved as a string. I then need to check if it's equal to the string true. You know, honestly, it's kind of a shortcut thing, but I could do just if it is equal to true. Then I put in true. Because if it's false, it is then trying to add in entry key into as a string, which would then go to false, correct? That seems, it seems kind of long-winded, honestly. Yeah, I think this is better. Thinking about it, it makes more sense. So I'm just gonna keep it like this. Logically, I think just makes more sense to read. Okay, so then this should now save the data. Oh, is equal? No. Wait, what's invalid operands, float and string and operator? Okay. Okay, I see what's going on. So, how does it handle logical? So if entry key is string and, so if it does this check, since there's an and, it has to always complete and everything has to be positive. It should go in, check. If it's not a string, goes to the next. Doesn't check the rest. So it shouldn't error out. If it's working the way I think it works. It doesn't work that way. Okay. Then I'll just have to add in a second. Yeah, okay. I guess I'll just have to do that. Actually, how do I want to do this? Think about this. What's the best way to do this? It's weird that doesn't do that. Okay, so if entry is a string, yeah, if entry is a string, check for string entry. If entry, if statement to check for bool entry. Set non-string. Yeah, okay. And then afterwards, else. Same. It seems kind of long-winded for this, but all right. For entry string. It only comes about because Boolean is weird to handle. Is there a better way? I'm trying to think. Is there a better way I could do this? It seems kind of convoluted when I look at it. Estimate check your Boolean for Boolean entry. I'm trying to explain as much as I can. If entry is string. It'll work this way, but it is kind of just annoying that it has to go this way. Yeah, so this should technically work now. So if I unlock this, leave, reload it, dungeon list. Okay, it's unlocked as shown there. Now it should still be unlocked. Yeah, it is. Okay. It works. It's kind of annoying though. That's how I have to do it. But let me see. Let me think about this. Is there any better way to do this? Hmm. Just add in a possible uh simplification. Look later. I'll just keep that as a reminder. Yeah. Because even if so, if I check for floater and before, I'd still have to then go. And do the, yeah, it'd still be the same way if I did it that way. And I can't check in the sends because or the if statement. Let me just. I'm curious. Is it because there's also an or? But let me try it. And oh, I could do the shortcut then. Let me try this. Just shoot this down here so don't look at it. Okay, so if entry is string and entry key is equal to true, then I want to do this. And then realistically, I just need to put in true here. Else the bottom one. So this should work. Yeah, let me try it. Okay, so it reads it. Technically, it's true, so it is true. All right, let me actually. Okay, let me start the game. Reload. Let me just restart to make sure it comes up again. Like it's saved correctly and everything. Yeah, okay, did that. Let me do play resources. Just give me like 5,000. Dungeon list. Make this false. Okay, so purchase this. I can use it. Everything's good there. It goes off. If I go in again, does it stay unlocked? It does. Okay, yeah. That's how I'll keep it. I don't think this will pull up any errors as long as it's true and false. So if it's true, to go here. If it's false, it'll try to input some value that isn't a boolean, so it'll go false. Wait, actually. Well, yeah, no, because it'll input a string with a value of like a string that says false, which will equal false. Okay. I was sure because I was thinking if it adding like a one, technically that I think goes true. Depending, I don't know if that how this system works, but it doesn't some others. Okay, so then I can delete this. And I was able to shortchange it some. So What was I doing after this? Okay, yeah. So that works in the dungeons now. So that's pretty plug and play on the dungeons. That works correctly. Don't need this whole script then. Okay. And then the last thing I need is edit play resources. Adventure ledger? Yeah, adventure ledger. This is saving. I need loading. Data received for adventures equals adventures. So it just adds adventures to ledger. I guess. Yeah, I'm using this only here, right? So it's the only time I do add adventures to the ledger is when I'm loading them in currently. So is it worth not keeping it around then? I guess I can keep it still there, but it might not be used anymore. I can see if I can take it out with the plug and play nature here. So yeah, let's just add a comment. Deprecated may need deleted later, depending if anything uses this. So don't worry about that then. So loaded adventures from repository. Let's see here. Data received, data received that. So then what I want is this. No, not that. This. Adventure ledger. So instead of all this, what section of the list? But list of adventures is equal to. Oops. Shoot. Utility functions. And here I'm going to be doing data received adventures. And this is going to be this. Yeah, same thing on this one. Okay. And then I shouldn't need this, but I'll double check before I delete all of it. Yeah, there. Make sure it saves correctly. Yeah, it looks like it's fine loading them. Okay, I think I'm going to delete this then. Oh, something I do need to do though. Which I did in the play resources, so let me just do that. Dungeon manager. For dungeon. And this, available dungeons. Add child. Done. So this basically just goes through, add children, or make go through list of dungeons and make this node their parent. Sets the array data to node array and finds value. Okay, good there. I need to do adventure ledger. For adventure and list of adventures. Let me just copy. List of adventures. First, there we go. And then adventure data. Okay. So hopefully that makes sense at initial glance. Should be able to understand it later on as well. Okay, so that kind of cut down a lot of the code needed. This again is deprecated at this point. I don't think it's used by anything else, so it probably can be deleted. Okay. That was a little bit longer than I thought. I think I'm gonna grab a water. While I grab that, look at idle game. Okay. Nice. Can I claim them? Oh, okay. There you go. Yeah, my game's a little messed up alcohol. Okay. That reminds me. Also, let's change. Let's make this uniform from repository to repository. All right, let's do that. Load dungeons from repository. Save dungeons to repository. Oh, repository. And then these two load dungeons. Save dungeons. Okay. So this should be good there. And then the weird one, which I think was this one, yeah. Save player resources to repository. Oh. Repository. And then set initial player UI. Load player resources from repository. Load. Save player resource repository. Okay. Okay, so those, at least the naming convention is uniform. Let me see if it still works. Make sure there's nothing else connecting them. Yeah, we're good. Oop. Okay. What to work on next? I mean, the name's pretty self-explanatory. Well, these are initial values I set. Huh. Yeah, these being exported do not matter. So I'm just gonna not export them. Yeah. Because they get changed from the file more than anything. So it does not matter, really. Okay, let me just kind of see what I'm working with currently. Okay, so the dungeons save their progress. This saves its progress. I would like, yeah, to generate more. How do I want to do it? I could generate it based off progress, time, and then I guess this is how I check my, yeah. Okay. I could also save. Let's do variable player resources. Do I do dirty or? Repo data. Let's do that. And then when I save, go to save. Yeah. If repo data dirty. So if it is dirty, then I wanted to do this. Else I don't want to do anything. And the ways this can get dirty is if anytime I set new data. Repo data dirty equals true. Signal or signify that data has been modified. Variable used by the target data has been modified. Yeah, again, I probably can change this into, yeah, I'll work on that later. Yeah, okay, so that signifies that. I want to do the same thing in Where? Yeah, right. Yeah. Okay, that's what I want. I changed the load ones, not the save ones. Okay. I guess realistically, it makes sense. Wait, where's if repo data dirty? Oh yeah, I did set players dungeon list. So yeah, if the data has been modified, the only way it can be modified currently is unlocking it. So yeah, so if it has the dungeon, then it's modified. Repo data equals true. Some data has been modified. I'll keep it for now. Yeah, that seems like a lot of just to have that modified. Can I also, yeah, let's modify this stuff to be pretty uniform. I don't like that's not uniform. Okay, looks better to me. Save data if repo. Is there a way to? I really should see if there's a way to just indent all. Sure, there is. There's got to be. Okay. And then, so if you add venture to ledger, I guess, I mean, no point to really have this, but just in case I use it again, might as well add this in. Okay, so now it should only modify when something has been changed. So let me try it. So I do nothing. Okay, it's not been modified. Now say I unlock this. Should modify player resource because gold was changed, yeah. And then dungeon list, yep. Go in, make sure again. Yep, okay, nothing. Go over here, purchase this. And then it should modify those two. Yep, okay. So at this point, I want to go back here. Player resources. I want to save these. Okay. Just that way I have the for testing purposes. Hmm. Okay. Kind of want to do a game now. Did a decent bit of work. We'll see how this goes. I'm gonna restart this. Boom, 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 boom. Pretty good progress on these. I just need to. I'll just put this in here. That way it charges the automation. Okay. Yeah, I think I might do League of Legends this time. Well, not League. Sorry, TFT. Is there anything else I can do? Is like a quick thing that I want to add? So I save progress. That's not UI because I don't want to do UI currently. Hmm. Is it worth Dungeon Manager save? I mean, it would cut on. I could do it. Yeah, screw it. It's probably it's basically just backwards, so I'll just add it. For now, let's take this out. No, I'm not using that. Function convert node array to JSON array. Node array. I think I just don't need. I don't need the path. Do I need this? Well, I need the. Do I? No, because I'm just converting it to a JSON array. I don't need to actually. Okay. Let me do dungeons for example, I guess. So I take this, bring in here for example. So what I need to do then is so I'm looking for a JSON array. So I actually don't want this section. I want what's going to go in here. So then let's do return array equals. All right. But Why is this fucking up? Oh, wait. Yeah, okay. So for dungeon in, or sorry, entry in node array, variable entry dictionary. Is there a way to, let me see here. Why is this fucked up? Not, oh, I need to do variable. Okay, this can get deleted. Print debug node array. Go to dungeon manager. So in here, I would then do utility functions dot convert node array JSON array, and I would then put in list of available dungeons. This doesn't do anything yet, which is fine. I just need to see what I'm cooking with, really. Did not call. Oh, no data was changed. So I just do true. So it modified. Okay. Why didn't it do anything? I always have problems though with this. Okay, well, I can generally picture it. So I have the list of dungeons. Let me look. Is there not a way to get a string version of it? Script. Okay. What if I did, let me check, it'll probably show up here. For entry and return. All right. Entry dot. Nope. Come on. I can Is there names 204? Uh, I wish there was a way. Is there not really? Script class is a get script property list method, which might so for what you want to do in object. Let's get script method. Let me look here. Get script property list properties in the script. Okay, what if I do, just for the fun of it, the end of this, I'm gonna do true print debug dot or self dot get property list. See what it comes up with. Name node. Okay, so this no. Oh god, this is a lot. Type 0 hint string usage. List available. Yep. JSON file path. Yep. Dungeon entrance. Name. Dungeon manager. There's not really a good way. Well, there might be. These all have usage 4096. How about we do this? There's a notepad. $4096. Okay. That seems usable. Okay. Let me think about this. So, entry itself is a node of, say, dungeon. So for property in entry dot get property list, if property, so this for each of these in this list, usage is equal to 4096, that will be an entry. Get script property list. Returns a list of properties in the script. Is there a script class? Properties, string, source code. Okay. Entry dictionary. What if I do, so for entry, variable entry dictionary equals that. And then I want to check for, where's that? I had it in somewhere. Is it play resources? I think it's play resources. I don't know if I want to say, I think it's in the save. Load. No, what am I looking for? If I'm trying to think, what is it? Oh, yeah, it was an old version, I think. Entry dictionary. And I want to do it off of entry dictionary based off property name. So property name. So I'm in the property and its usage is 4096. I then get the name for that. Was then equal to. So that is the name for this. So for this would be like dungeon name would be equal to equal to, I believe it's entry. It's a node. So the node version for entry. Entry dot get. Same name, right? That should be correct. So that's the entry. That's the dictionary of the entry. Goes through each one, takes the name, adds it into the dictionary with the appropriate value. And then at the end, actually no, here, then return array dot append entry dictionary. Creates a new one for the next one. And then return array. I think that's correct. Find out though. Print debug utility util functions. What is it? Utility functions. That's the full thing. Okay, let me try this. Actually, let me go to here. Okay. Go back to this then. I think I can now print debug node array. Okay, so I have those two nodes. Print debug entry dictionary. Okay. Print debug found a property. Do I ever find one? No, I don't. Okay. So that's the problem. Oh, actually at this point I can do print debug entry dot get property list. Don't need this currently. Don't need this currently. Just gonna clutter up everything. Okay. So, dungeon resources. What is the difference for the usage? Or 102. What does usage mean in this context? Returns a list of properties in this script. Script properties Godot. Okay. So get property. So usage is a combination of property usage flags. Properties secret. Where's the hmm? There's a script variable which should be serialized and saved in the scene file. Okay, that makes sense. What doesn't make sense is the 4102912. Why is it 4102? Hmm. Gosh, I'm not sure. Let me try it in here. Why is it 4102? Hmm. 6. Okay, so just curious. If I then go here, change it to 4102, does it work then? Wait, okay, I need to uh print debug return array. No James cost. I guess, is that okay? Let's try not this, because this seems kind of more of a rougher one to use it on. Let's go to dungeon. Go here. Okay. I'm just not thinking, how am I going to handle this dungeon resources? I don't think it's ready yet for sure. It needs ironed out. Property usage equals blah blah blah. Sometimes wake up, wake me up, wake me up, let's dream. Let me try. So I want to do. Nope. Dungeon resources. It's an array. And then it's an array of dictionaries. Iron. Resource drop rate. Mm. Okay. Now if I do this, I'm curious, does it save? Has iron? Yep, 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 yep. Currently it won't save though. Yeah, currently it doesn't save. Hmm. Okay, so let me save this. Let me go to Dungeon Manager. What happens if I do this? Okay, so it does save the entire thing. Now the question is, did it save it correctly enough for it to start up again? Okay. It works kind of. Works kind of still not ready to be added for all. A player or no adventure. Portrait. Nope. Okay. That's, you know what? I worked on this for a while today. I think I'm good to stop here for now. Text edit. Index p line equals 6 is out of bounds. Okay. Keep it for now. All right, I'm gonna play some game of TFT and then go from there. Oh, my brain hurts. Oh man. What? Okay. Yeah, it's probably. Bum, 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 bum. How's those going? Oh god. Okay. Mm. Oh, zoom zoom. Sex. I have to do something real quick that I need to. That's whatever. Okay. Uh, all right. Think I got it. Yeah. Okay. We're good. I really want to play Kale, but I don't think I'm gonna get the stuff I need for Kale. I'll do these two for now. Yeah, getting Kale would kind of be nice. I don't know why, but I just want to play Kale currently. Man, I have some good items for Kale too. Ooh, and I have a level up. Void Crown is kind of cool too. I haven't done Void in a long time. Do have a good Void start. But Kale. Hey, there she is. She heard. She knew. Put this in. Yeah. Might be a. I don't know if it was worth to do all that, but fuck it. Uh, okay. Nice. Finish that up. What does the person got us as? Nothing else to. So Galio next shop would be great if I can get that. I be smurfing. I have half a Rage Blade too. I really should have just done Void. Just take the Bastion. I mean, I know I'm gonna put it on, so might as well put it on now. Okay. This one's a major loss for sure. I'll put that in for now. Actually, I mean, is it better to... Let's do that, because I'm not going to keep her around long term. So I might as well just trade out. He's decently strong. I guess I do have a better chance, though, if she's in. Oh, well. Man, I'm just going to be losing for a while now. And on the upside, I get my other half of my Rage Blade next turn. Jeez, I can't believe we already got such one. Starter kit? Oh, okay, starter kit. That's why. I don't really got the starter kit start, but then you swap off and don't use the actual build. Zoom, 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 zoom. Oh, it's on who I want to. So put that in. Give her that. Decent start. Realistically, though, I'd rather have her have this and be the elite, just because it'll help them tank a lot longer. Take that. I think that would be better to put in for now. Gives me the Slayer. Man, I wish I had someone to play Valorant with. I need to get more VTuber friends. Or say more, I need to get some. I don't really have any. Or just like a stream friends too. It doesn't have to be VTubers. Just people I can stream it with. Hmm. Actually, am I strong enough? Hoping. That works. Don't care about either of those. Grab this. 5 Demacia seems pretty good. That's not a Gale. Is it someone else going Demacia? Or am I just really unlucky? Ah, this person is also going Demacia. Well. I think at this point, since he's also going Demacia. God, I really like Kale Carry though. I don't know. Where's the fuck is? Alright, Recombobulator. Cybernetic Bulk. Army Builder seems good. Yes. Fuck it, I still go for it. I don't give a shit. Throw the goddamn game. I don't care. Slowly but surely, I'm stacking. Well, I was able to clear out a decent bit of them. I don't really care too much about Gallia. Okay, I have good. I have the 1 cost currently. How much did he roll down? He's slow rolling. We're good. Close. Damn. I'll take that loss though. So I'm also gonna try to fuck him, to be honest. Yeah, I'll take that. Cause I'm gonna need one or the other, so. He has 100% knows to fuck him, but. Come on, please. Okay, that's good. That's good. Okay, I'll take that. Basically, I just need one more Kale. Yeah, so I want one more Kale. Wow, I'm actually clearing this. Okay. One more Kale because I don't have enough from the champion duplicators. I can start stacking up to 9 at that point. Or leveling up, like saving to level up. Sorry. Yeah, I'll roll for the 1. I'll solve this. Where's he at? Is he? He's okay. He's almost there. There's a lot out of the pool. I'll just grab one. Need one more, and then I'm good. It's actually going decent. Especially, yeah, if you waste one. Okay, yeah, nice. Wait for after this round, then spin down, try to find the last KO. Or if it could be my shot, that'd be cool too. Damn. So I need a bow here. And a KO in the shop. That's one place. Okay, nice. Right. I mean, I'd like him, but I don't look for currently. Okay, there we go. Got the KO. I'm good. That's the game plan. Is this? Screw it. Seems good. I'm actually surprised I've actually been winning some of these. Like pre-6. Again, that was pretty decent for being pre-6. I'll be at 14. I do. Is it 10? Or one more level? Oh, realistically, I'm just trying to get, yeah, levels. I can't believe I got her Alawi 3 before I even got one of them for KO. Oh, okay, so this guy was just straight up money into level. Okay. I think the next one is when I get, because 1, 2, is it after 7-player combat? So I got it then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I should be after this, yeah. And then K will be 3. I don't really care about that, honestly. I can get another KO, but actually, was it worth taking it from him? Because he gets it and he finishes his Rage Blade. It might have been worth just taking it from him. Oh well. In hindsight, yes, I should have done that. But it's whatever. Yeah, I should have taken it. Damn. I didn't think about it. Especially if he's at level 8, it's hard to find that last KO. Missed opportunity. Oh. It's always hard to tell if I'm winning these fights because it's just such a slow ramp up and then it becomes uncontrollable at a certain point. Yeah, like now. Okay. This is kind of counter to my comp, to be honest. Yeah, that kills mine. His comp basically countered mine because his is all about killing fast, while mine is like a slow roll or like slow grind up to it. Okay, do this, put him in, and I think I do level up again. Try to get Fiora, put her in. It gives me 7 Demacia. I can start cooking with that. I'm gonna try to get slow, or not slow. Like once I can't go to 9, just go straight to 9. Okay, so alright. Hopefully this can survive me until I can eventually roll to 9. Oh, I don't know. Well, it does not look good right now. Ah. Okay. Curious how this guy will do. I mean, hey, we held hands. See, I mean, maybe you can do a comeback with HP. He needs to hit 9 probably for that to happen. Alright, okay, he's 1 down. I'm not gonna watch the entire thing. Alright. Also, yeah, it's been 2 hours, so yeah, I'll probably end the stream here then. Alright, I'm gonna end the stream here. I think it's Mondays next time I stream. Yeah, it should be Monday night. And I hope everyone has a great night that's still here, and